Welcome to our video introducing the ihomecooker 50 pieces single white cupcakes containers gift boxes with window inserts handle. This product is perfect for presenting your fancy cupcakes and goodies in an elegant and convenient way. With a large and clear window on both the front and top, you can showcase your delicious treats without exposing them to the air. The handle is sturdy and handy, making it easy to carry these gift boxes wherever you go. You can even add name tags and balloons to the handles for a personalized touch. Measuring at 3.7 by 3.7 by 4.5 inches once assembled, these cupcake boxes are spacious and tall, allowing for high toppings, toppers, and candles. They are made of food-grade sturdy cardboard paper, ensuring that your treats are well sealed and protected. These decorative cupcake boxes are not only perfect for weddings, but also for birthday parties, baby showers, cupcake parties, teacher gifts, and any special occasion. You can even use them on a dessert candy buffet table for guests to package up their own take-home treats. From macaroons to chocolate chip cookies, the possibilities are endless. Please note that cupcakes are not included in the package. Additionally, the actual color may differ slightly due to light differences. Rest assured, our top priority is your satisfaction. If you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. Please be aware that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before making your purchase. For more information and customer reviews, visit the products page on Amazon using the short link provided, https://amzn.to/3uckley. Thank you for watching our video and considering the ihomecooker 50 pieces single white cupcakes containers gift boxes with window inserts handle. We hope you enjoy using this product for all your cupcake packaging needs.